Hi there, my name is Bridget Mackay. I'm an attorney in Petaluma, California, and I practice in the area of estate planning, trust administration, probate, and elder law. Today, I want to talk a little bit about trusts. I had a client recently who we came to sign the trust and go over it, and they complained that the trust was too wordy, that some of the clauses they felt didn't apply to them and therefore weren't needed. In some cases that might be true, but very rare. And I just want to put it out there that in actual fact, when we do trust, some of the clauses may not apply to you today or while you're signing your trust, but the fact remains as we write these in order to address what might happen in the future. And since none of us are psychics with the crystal ball, we don't really know what's going to happen in your life with your children, how your trustees are going to end up being. Oftentimes, a lot of the clauses in a trust are necessary, even though it makes them look big and wordy. The places a lot of words or language is needed in way of explanation is when we're talking about the trustees' rights and responsibilities. So we're not sure what your trustees will face around the time that you die or become disabled. And we need to arm them with all the tools that are required to carry out your wishes. Second, there are a lot of words or clauses around beneficiary designations and gifts. In other words, where your hard-earned dollars are going and to whom and how. You may know your beneficiaries now, but what will their lives be like in 10 or 20 years from now? Many things can change in people's lives: divorce, disability, and death, to name a few. So there are a lot of clauses that address those issues. And then third, finally, those less wordy online do-it-yourself trusts may seem attractive because they're thinner and they appear to be more understandable or simple to the layperson and not quite so big, but sometimes and most often they're not likely providing a solid foundation for your plan or your family's future because they have not addressed a lot of the things that could happen when you die. And the bottom line is we don't know when we're going to die. And so we try and plan as much as possible around any possible event that could come up prior to that time that would protect your wishes and your assets for your family.